In this video, we'll learn what is nested if-else. When you write if-else block inside if-else block, it is called as nested if-else. Let us write a program to check whether the user entered alphabet is a vowel or a consonant. Input java.util.scanner. We are using scanner object in our class. Input keyword tells the compiler where is the scanner class located. It is located inside java.util package. We have defined a class named vowel consonant. We have defined the main method. Execution starts from here. So what is this program about? User will enter some alphabet and program will check whether the user entered alphabet is a vowel or a consonant. If it is not an alphabet, program will print that the user entered character is not an alphabet. We need to accept a character from the user. Hence, we need a variable of type char to store the user entered character. Therefore, we have defined variable ch of type char. Memory for variable ch is reserved in stack memory area. Next statement, we are creating an object of type scanner. Scanner object is used to accept data from the user. So when this statement is executed, reference variable s is created on stack and actual object is created on the heap. This is the reference variable, this is the actual object. We are passing system.in as an argument to the scanner object. System.in represents standard input stream, that is the keyboard. Next is, we are invoking println method. System.out.println, enter alphabet. This text will be printed to the output screen. Now focus on this statement, ch equal to s.next.caret, and we are passing 0 to method caret. In our program, we want to read a data of type char. If we want to read a data of type integer, there is a method known as nextInt belonging to scanner class. If we want to read a data of type float, there is a method known as nextFloat belonging to scanner class. If we want to read a single string, there is a method next that returns data in the form of string data type. But in our program, we don't want to read a string data. We want to read a single character in the form of char data type. But there is no such method in scanner class that will read char data from the keyboard. You have methods for almost all data types, but you don't have method to read a character from the keyboard in scanner class. So how do we read a character from the keyboard? Here we will apply a little logic. Java has given a method char@, to read a character from a string at a given index number. What is a string? String is a sequence of characters. If my string is hello, it is a sequence of 5 characters and every character has index number. Character at 0th index is H, character at first index is E, character at index number 3 is L, character at index number 4 is O. Now what we are doing in our code? There is a method next belonging to scanner class, and this method next reads a string from the keyboard. Suppose user enters lowercase z, we are reading z as a string data type. Z as a string data type and z as a char data type are totally two different things. So this s.next will read the user entered alphabet z in a form of a string. For more details on how string object works, please watch the video where I have covered the topic strings. So this is my string object and method caret belongs to string object. What argument are we passing? We are passing 0. This means that method caret belonging to string object will return the character present at 0th index. So my string has only one character which is present at 0th index, that is z. And the return type of method caret is char. Therefore, it will return the character in pure char data type format. Now the z in the string data type form becomes z in char data type form. So this whole statement will return the user entered string in char data type form. And it is stored in the variable ch, which is of type char. So variable ch will have char value lowercase z. And why do we need z in char type? Because we are checking whether the given alphabet is vowel or a consonant. And to check that, your system needs to recognize which character it is. And how does your system recognizes the character? By using ASCII code. What is in ASCII code? ASCII is an acronym for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is a code that uses numbers to represent characters. So inside your computer system, the characters are recognized in the form of numbers. Let us move on to if condition. Now this is nested if else. This is my outer if block and this is inner if block. In the outer if condition, we are checking whether the user entered character is an alphabet or not. It shouldn't be a number or a special character. And in the inner if condition, we are checking out whether the alphabet is vowel or a consonant. So how do we check whether the user entered character is an alphabet? CH greater than equal to A. What is our CH? The user entered character lowercase z. CH is lowercase z. Now the ASCII codes for uppercase A to Z are numbers 65 to 90. That is, uppercase A will have ASCII code 65. Uppercase B will have ASCII code 66. Uppercase C will have ASCII code 67. And this goes on. Uppercase Z will have ASCII code 90. And lowercase A to Z has ASCII codes 97 to 122. Lowercase b will have ASCII code 98. Lowercase c will have ASCII code 99. This goes on. Lowercase z will have ASCII code 122. So this is the number representation defined for the characters. Now when we check the condition ch greater than equal to uppercase A, internally these alphabets are converted into ASCII codes. So it will actually check the ASCII code for lowercase z is 122 and the ASCII code for uppercase A is 65. Now 122 is greater than 65. So the first condition is true. And we are using AND operator. So we need to have both the conditions true. Only then the equation returns true. Now over here ASCII code for Z is 122 less than or equal to ASCII code for uppercase Z is 90. Now the second condition is false. 122 is not less than 90. So this whole equation returns false. We are using OR operator in between two brackets. In case of AND operator, both the conditions should be true. Only then the equation becomes true and control goes inside. But here, this whole condition returns false. Hence, control doesn't go inside. We are specifying OR operator. Hence, next condition will be checked. So, this bracket will be solved. Now, here, CH, that is Z, and ASCII code for lowercase a is 97. 122 greater than 97. So the first condition is true. And in case of AND operator, when the first condition is true, it checks for the second condition. CH is lowercase z, that is 122, less than or equal to lowercase z, that is 122. Here the condition is true because 122 is equal to 122. So this second condition returns true. Hence, this whole equation returns true. So it means that the user entered character is an alphabet because it falls between the ASCII codes represented for the alphabets. So in case of OR operator, when one of the condition is true, the whole equation returns true. And when the condition is true, the control goes inside the block. So this is my outer if. This curly bracket belongs to the outer if, and this is the closing curly bracket belonging to the outer if. This else belongs to the outer if. You cannot write else without if. So this is my outer if and this is my outer else. This is my inner if. Now when the condition is true and control of the program comes inside, it will execute the inner if. Here we are checking whether the user entered alphabet is a vowel or a consonant. So how do we do this? CH is lowercase z equal to A. So it will check whether the ASCII codes are equal. This double equal to operator checks whether the two numbers are equal or not. ASCII code for lowercase z is 122. ASCII code for lowercase a is 97. 122 is not equal to 97. Hence, this will be false. We are using OR operator. Again, the ASCII code for CH and uppercase A is checked. ASCII code for lowercase z is 122 and ASCII code for uppercase A is 65. So 122 is not equal to 65. Hence this condition is false. Now in case of OR operator, at least one condition should be true. So using OR operator, we'll check next condition. CH is Z. ASCII code for lowercase e is 101. So 122 is not equal to 101. Hence this condition is false. Now we are checking out whether the user enter character is uppercase E. User enter character is lowercase z. ASCII code for uppercase E is 69. 122 is not equal to 69. Hence the condition is false. Using OR operator, we'll check next condition. CH is lowercase z. ASCII code for lowercase I is 105. So 122 is not equal to 105. Hence this is also false. We are checking out for uppercase I. ASCII code for uppercase I is 73. 122 is not equal to 73. Hence this condition is also false. AEIOUS will check whether the user entered alphabet is a vowel or not. Hence we need to check the ASCII codes for all the vowels. Again using OR operator, we'll check whether the user entered character is lowercase o. ASCII code for lowercase o is 111. So 122 is not equal to 111. Hence this condition is also false. Again by using OR operator, we'll check whether the user entered character is uppercase O. ASCII code for uppercase O is 79. 122 is not equal to 79. Hence the condition is false. Again by using OR operator, we'll check whether the user entered character is lowercase u. ASCII code for lowercase u is 117. So 122 is not equal to 117. Hence the condition is false. Again by using OR operator, we'll check whether the user entered character is uppercase u. ASCII code for uppercase u is 85. So 122 is not equal to 85. Hence the condition is false. Now we have checked whether all the uppercase and lowercase vowels are equal to the user entered character, and in all the conditions we have got false. Hence this whole if condition returns false and control will not go inside if block. When the if condition is false, the control goes to else block and the statement inside else block will execute. So this statement system.out.println ch, that is lowercase z. So this whole thing will be printed to the output screen. Z is a consonant. So my output will be Z is a consonant. Now control will come out of else block. Control will come out of outer if, and here your program terminates. My outer if condition was true. Hence the control never goes to else part, and my inner if condition was false. Hence the control goes to inner else part. So this is how you check whether the user entered character is a vowel or not. Suppose user enters some number or some special character. The ASCII code is not matched between 65 to 90 and 97 to 122. So in that case, control will not go inside if and it will come directly to the else part and it will print you have not entered an alphabet. Suppose the user has entered vowel, one of these conditions will be true and control will come inside the if block and it will print the entered character is a vowel. It will not go to the else part. So depending upon the user entered character, condition becomes true or false and that particular block of code executes.